Hey guys, it's Koogly again with another video, and this time I've got an unboxing. I'm using a new setup right now just so I can try it out, but I've got something interesting. So this is what I have this time. What is this? It is something which I have been missing on the car. Now, if you don't know, if you haven't seen the updates, I have a new car now. It is the Renault Kiger. I am very excited about this one. So I am going to unbox this one and I'm going to fit it on the car and I will show you how exactly it's done. It's not rocket science, it's super easy, but let's get started. So guys, this is a TPMS system. Now if you don't know what TPMS is, which I don't think you will not be someone who doesn't know what TPMS is. TPMS is a tire pressure monitoring system. Now this one is a universal system which can fit into any car, or it will fit for a lot of cars, to be honest. So it is a tire pressure monitoring system. It is universal. It is an external monitor, so basically you can see the tire pressure gauging system, whatever. Okay, this is the price, whatever the price is. Features real-time monitoring, temperature scan, leakage warning, intelligence keeping mode for power saving. It has a solar sensor and it should work really well. It is a super small sensor. This is why I really wanted this one. So you get mounting things. Oh, you also get sticky pads to stick it to the windshield. You have nuts and things for, you have a spanner to install and install and not install, I guess, the sensors, and you have the unit itself. Now with the unit itself, it is super small. I wanted something which I can put anywhere, and also it has an adjustment, so I would not mind putting it on top of the windshield. It has buttons. This one looks super cheap though. Like, this is not really the one which I ordered, but yeah, we will see. I mean, if it shows everything, that is fine. That is fine enough. So yeah, let me see if it charges with solar, because it's supposed to be solar. Ooh, I can hear sound. I will look into it. I will see what to do and we will see if it works or not. So that's basically it with the unboxing. Now I'm going to continue with what it is, what it has, and whatever the situation is. We shall see. Apparently the unit is discharged, so that's why it was beeping when I was putting it against the system. So in the meantime, let's install this one. I have read the instructions. It is pretty straightforward, so let's go. So the instruction says, okay, let's go to the first tire. Yes, this is a Renault Kiger. It doesn't come with a TPMS, yeah, tire pressure monitor system. So I have to do this. So anyways, let's see. This is the tire sensor. This is the front left. So front left is this one. I take this out. I use this one, which is supposed to be the anti-theft thingy. I screw it on. Ooh, okay. I screw this on. I put this one inside. Oh, I have this, and then I do this where I tighten this very securely onto this one with the wrench, so that it cannot be removed like as such. Yeah, it can't be removed as such. So we have this one mounted. Let's do it a little bit more, because why not? Okay, so I'll install the rest of them. This is pretty much the same situation, so let's do it. I mean, I'm pretty sure this is very easy to steal if somebody wants to steal this thing. Yeah, an internal pressure sensor is much safer in our place, I guess. I guess I'll have to take the chances. By the time I'm back, it's already detected everything, and voila, I have the pressures here. That is cool, actually. It is cool that I got the pressures already. I mean, it's already detected, and I think it is the right one. Okay guys, so I have gone through all the settings and just read the instructions. Hey, reading the instructions actually does help a lot. So I realized, okay, these are the pressures which is right now, and these are the temperatures. If I press on menu setting for 4 seconds, I will get the option to change everything. So I can change the unit, I can change the temperature units, and I can change the upper limit and then the lower limit, and I can change the temperature at which it gives me an alarm. So I think 65 is fine. Here it says that it is adjustable from 70 to 90, but For some reason it's giving me 65 also, which is interesting. I really don't know what this setting is. If you are someone who's able to determine what DD or DB00 is, if I press on this, it gets into some random numbers, which is not something I know. Anyways, for now, this is it. It works. It's really cool. There you have it. So this was the installation and the first look of the TPMS system, which is super cheap. And there you have it. I'm gonna charge it for a more time. I will get back to you if you have more questions about it. Hey, I can tell you more. So see you guys later.